Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Devan Singh and I study in class 60. Today I am giving a presentation on the topic A Tale of Two Birds. One in the forest, a mother bird and its two baby birds lived. They was very happy. But one day there was a big storm, there was lightning, thundering and rain. The big wind blew down many trees. The tall tree which the bird lived, they also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Unfortunately for the two baby birds, the wind blew them to the other side of the forest. The next day, one of them came down near a cave where the gang of robbers lived. The other one landed outside to the Rishi ashram a little distance away. The other day, a king was come in the forest to hunting. He saw a deer and ran to catch him in the deep forest. Some time later, he thought he lost in the forest and he think I can rest under the tree. He rest under the tree. After some time, he wake up and see a big bird. So the big bird says, "Quick, hurry up! There's someone under a tree. Came outside and take his jewels and his horse." The king was scared and ran away to the other side of the forest. There was a other bird standing on the branch of a tree. He think this bird is look same to the previous bird. So the bird say, "Welcome to the ashram. Rishi will be back soon. Please, there's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The Rishi will be back and he questioned to the king, "Why are you come here? What's your problem?" So the king says, "I can confused the first bird which we can see." He says, "Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Came outside and take his jewels and his horse." But this bird say, "Welcome to the ashram. Rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please drink it and make yourself comfortable." So Rishi is laugh and say, the Rishi explained the different ways which the bird behaved. According to the Rishi, one is known by the company of one keeps. Thank you. Have a nice day.